So, if you are in a situation like you don't know how to earn money, control spendings, and figure out the unnecessary subscriptions, I would say you are at the right place. In this video, I'll be talking about, or I would be mentioning, three Claude prompts that will turn Claude into a tool which will be helping you to get you out of this situation. So, let's get into it and starting with the prompt that will make Claude control your spending. So, the prompt number one will be helping you to control your spending. So, controlling your unnecessary spendings. By the way, the prompt goes like this. Ask me questions about my monthly expenses to identify where I am wasting my money and create a realistic budget that does not make me feel restricted. So, this is the prompt which is going to make Claude control your spendings. Now, if you are thinking like where to get this prompt, I would say don't worry, I'll be attaching this prompt in the description of this video. Now, let's jump to the second prompt in my list, and the prompt number second is going to help you find a hustle based on your interests. So the prompt number second goes like this. Based on my skills, interests, and available time, suggest to me 20 hustles I can start this week with zero investment. Also, rank them by how quickly I can earn my first payment. So this is the second prompt which is going to help you to find a hustle. Now, let's talk about a third and the most important prompt, which will be helping you to pay off your debt. Pay off your debt. So, the prompt goes like this. Help me to create a step by step plan to pay off X amount of debt or X dollars in debt while I am studying or working. Prioritize essential expenses and suggest right ways to increase income and keep the plan as I would say realistic. So these are the three prompters which will be helping. One will be helping you to stop unnecessary spending. Second will be helping you to find a hustle, and third will be helping you to pay off your debts. So I hope you love these three prompters, and you just need to type I want it in the this in the comment section, and I will be sliding these prompters and these detailed prompters in the DM of your profile. So that's it for today. See you soon with new video and new take. Till then, keep watching, keep learning.